Ahoy, young scientists! Welcome aboard Captain Ripple TV. What if I told you this tiny paperclip can defy gravity? Let's find out how. But it's not magic. It's science. Normally, a paperclip sinks. But what if I told you we can make it float like a tiny boat? Let's find out how. Hey kids, you want to know the materials that you will need? Let's move to the table and see. Here are the materials what you'll need. A clear glass of water, a paperclip, a small piece of tissue or paper, and your steady hands. Alright, first, let's drop our paperclip into the water. What happens? Uh-oh, it sank straight to the bottom. But don't worry, we have a trick up our sleeves. Step 1. Take a tiny piece of tissue paper and gently place it on the water. Step 2. Place the paperclip on top of the tissue very gently. Now, wait for the magic. Wow, look at that! The paperclip is floating! Can you guess why the paperclip floats before I tell you? This is called surface tension. Water molecules stick together, kind of like holding hands. They make a strong invisible skin on top of the water, and that's why our paperclip can rest on top. Some tiny bugs can even walk on water because of this same trick. Now it's your turn! Try this experiment at home and see if you can make your paperclip float. Ask an adult to help and let us know what happened. That was so much fun! Want to do more cool experiments? Click the next video and don't forget to subscribe to keep exploring together. See you next time, young scientists. Ripple away.